In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the z-test function in Google Sheets. Using the z-test function can be extremely valuable when you need to determine whether there is a significant difference between the means of two samples. Now, let's take a closer look and walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll need to have your Google Sheet ready. So go ahead and open the Google Sheets application and pull up the document where you want to perform your z-test. If you're new to Google Sheets, don't worry. It's relatively straightforward and easy to use. As you open it, ensure that your data is set up in a tabular format. This typically means having your data in columns that are well labeled and easy to reference. Once your sheet is open, navigate to cell D2 by clicking on it. In this cell, we're going to initiate the z-test function. For our demonstration today, we'll be using a hypothetical data set, but these steps will apply to your own data as well. In cell D2, you will type out the following formula: equals z period test, open parenthesis, A2 colon A12, comma B2, comma C2, close parenthesis. Let me break this down for you. The A2 colon A12 part represents the data range of your first sample. It's crucial to select your data accurately for the test to be meaningful. The B2 in the formula is your mean value, and C2 refers to your optional standard deviation of the population. If you've got your data set ready, go ahead and type this formula, then hit the Enter key. Now moving on, let's duplicate this action in another cell to reinforce what we've learned. Click on cell D4. Here, you will enter another formula. This time, we'll use a slight variation. Type the following: equals z period test, open parenthesis A2 colon A12, comma B2, close parenthesis. Notice how this formula has omitted the last part. This version of the z-test assumes that the standard deviation has not been explicitly provided and will be estimated. Once again, hit the Enter key after entering the formula. By pressing Enter each time, the results of the z-test should immediately appear in their respective cells, providing you with the z-score, which helps evaluate the significance of the difference between your two sample sets. This score is essential for making informed decisions based on your data analysis. And that's it. You've now successfully performed a z-test in Google Sheets. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with these functions, the more intuitive they'll become. Thanks for tuning in today. Feel free to rewind and rewatch any part of this guide for clarity. And as always, happy analyzing.